Hello and welcome to Lazy Gardener. Today I'm just going to go through what is happening in my garage / potting shed.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them. People dream of good things.
Okay, so these are my broad beans. You can see how great they're turning out. I planted them not so long ago. A few of them haven't sprouted. And I don't think I've put a seed. Oh no, there is a seed in that one. I thought I didn't put a seed in all of them, but that's how they are. What is this? These are my Brussels sprouts. So I've got 2 that sprouted so far. These are the parsley that I've done in a video. Sorry, mind blank. Okay, it's my oh, I can't remember that is either. God, I'm having such a bad brain today. Okay, so there's these are coriander. So these are all my coriander seedlings, which is great. In my propagator, let me just open that for you. So in my propagator here, we have my chilies, which are here, and my sweet peppers, which are here and here. You see, I'll be quite disappointed if only 2 of them sprout, but I think the rest are thinking about sprouting. So yeah, they are sprouting. They're just a little bit behind. It's fine. And then I've got some chilies as well, which haven't done. I think they just got a little bit neglected. So just going to pop that on and leave them whilst they're still needing the extra protection. But I'm going to go ahead and open that hatch there. Okay, so these are my peas for pea sprouts, so they're growing nicely. These are parsley and they're growing nicely. So this is parsley. My chives are still yet to come out. The time's yet to come out. Now these ones are chicory, and I've got a few chicories coming. These are mushrooms. These are mealworms for my ducks, and they've just fallen on top. Just excuse them. And then I have some more broad beans here. So they are doing really, really well. Now this is my pink celery. See, my daughter's been through here pulling them all out. So they're just doing their thing. So it's quite exciting that they've decided to sprout. These are some microgreens for my ducks. What are these? Well, these are definitely not peas. What are they? Ah, basil. So there's a basil coming up there. Spinach coming up there. And another spinach over there. So fantastic. These are hot chilies, thin cayenne peppers. And these are marigolds. There's some more marigolds in here. There's so many of these little seedlings that I know must be something like, I don't know, like some sort of brassica that I've dropped into the seed pay. Okay, and these are all on heat mats and under lights. So I've got some cabbages here. I've got some more of these lovely marigolds, and that's what's going on in this here. So that's basically all I've got. I'm still like up to my ears in canned food and things like that. And oh, excuse the mess. This is my mushroom bed, which is indoors. It does have some sprouting like sprouts, but that's because of the medium I've used wasn't sterile, so just excuse them. I just pick them and let them be on top. So so far I've got some beginnings of mushrooms, so it is warming up, which is fantastic. Oh look, there's a mushroom there. I'm very excited about this bed taking off. It was great when it was started. I've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 squashes. These are my tomatoes, green tomato chutney here. I made some Nando's sauce as well, and that's completely homegrown. Here my duck. I've still got tons of jam. And the jam, obviously, it wasn't homegrown because it says pineapple. But these are all homemade. So pineapple and apple jam, strawberry syrup. This is the strawberry sticks that I made last year. They actually make some pretty good syrup. It's like turned into jam because it's cold. What else have we got? Some raspberry jam. It does not labelled, but oh no, it's not labelled, but I know what it is. This is rose hip syrup, rose hip jam. The rose hips were given to me by my grandma. What else have we got? Oh, it's more rose hips jam. Then we've got some canned fish. We've got all of this here, which has got like crud that's falling down on top. It's all canned tomato sauce from the garden. Got some canned chicken. And then we've got apples that I got from a local orchard. Oh, and my duck bed. We have some limed eggs down here, and then I've got some jars of pickles there that I've made. I also got quite a lot of beans that I've canned into like tiny little jars, and I'm just currently canning some more vegetable stock that I've just made. Sorry. Why am I saying sorry to a tub? I don't know. What else have we got? So yeah, that's it. So far, everything's been being kept quite well, and I have no complaints about anything. This is my first year canning, so I'm really excited about it. Like, but yeah, it's fine. Oh, I've still got some mayonnaise. I completely forgot. There you go. So yeah. I mean, those don't look the best, but they taste really good, I promise. We also have to bring in some of this chilli sauce that I made. I've still got a couple more. That's chilli jam. So this is my last chilli sauce, I think. Chutney. Shut up, duck. Okay, that's it. So, thanks for the update, and see you soon.